Hey everybody, welcome back. And pretty much what I did here is I bought this. What I'm going to do with this one here is, again, I have a couple of these, which they're component testers. And this one happens to come with a box. So basically I'm going to be putting this one together for my use with the box, the clear case. And it's got the screws and everything with it, and they give you a screwdriver. A lot of times I use them, a lot of times I don't. But this is going to be my main component tester, but I do have a couple of these modules right here. And what I'm going to do is to let everybody know that throughout my videos, I am going to give people a chance with some questions that I'm going to give them, and they would have to figure it out to win one of these. I'm willing to give one of these out to one of my patrons so they can have it and use it. So I think that was a pretty neat gift to give you guys for watching my channel and getting to learn and know stuff. So keep an eye out for that, because what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start advertising that you know, I'm going to give pop quizzes, I'm going to put stuff in there, and whoever answers questions right, I will be happy to send them this component tester for free. And that way you have something you get to play with, you get to use, and you didn't pay for it. It's my gift to all of the people who watch my channel. So look forward to seeing about that. Talk to you later. Thank you.